Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add link to TikTok profile. You just need to get the app and sign in as you all know, and then I just want you to go to your profile on the app on TikTok, and then I want you to go into these three vertical lines on the top right corner. Right, so once you tap here, you will see, and it will be appear to you four options. I want you to go into settings and privacy, tap on it, and then go into accounts. So why we do these steps? Because to add a link on your TikTok, you need to switch the profile into a business account. That's as simple as it is. You just need to go to do these steps that I just showed you, and then you will have that option right here to switch to a business account. I have switched to personal accounts, and that's because I already changed my account into a business account. And then you will fill some informations, your informations, and then you will get the business account for free. Alright, so then let's go back. After that, I just want you to go into that three vertical lines, and then also settings and privacy, and go into your account here. You can from here see the account informations, or you just need to go into your profile and then tap on edit profile. Right, so from here guys, as you can see here, you can add a link on your bio by filling that option websites, and also you can add your Instagram and YouTube link, or your ID on them. So guys, that's the video. That's how to add link to TikTok profile. I hope you like, subscribe, and share the video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.